The door panel is mounted with 5 screws. This applies to the front and rear doors. The first 2 screws are located under the cover next to the inside door handle. The cover is just plugged in and can be levered out. The other 3 screws are located under the cover of the armrest. This cover is also just plugged in. It's best to start pulling out at the top. After removing the 2 covers, you can unscrew all 5 screws. The panel is then only attached to the door with clips. By pulling firmly and jerkily, remove the panel from the door, starting from below. Helpful tool for removal is linked in the description. Also only pull outwards at the top, at the window slot trim. Disconnecting the door operation and the electrical system. It is best to disconnect the door operation right next to the latch. Pull the Bowden cable downwards out of the guide and unhook the cable. The electrical plugs do not have any special lock and you can simply unplug them by pulling them. That's it, good luck doing it yourself.